Yo, what's up, Zeph Nation? Finally, holy crap. This is my like third time at Trader Joe's this week. I just came to buy my girlfriend flowers because she's mad at me for a reason she'll probably forget tomorrow. But I came by and they finally had the Trader Joe's Kimbap in stock. So we're about to go home and try this in a bit. But yeah, thank God they finally had them. It's gonna be a normal food review, probably. This food review has to appeal to the normies, you feel me? So yeah, peace.
I want my hand in it.
I'm gonna microwave this and I'll be right back. Yo, what's up guys, we're back. I'm making a quick review because low-key, we thought it would be a good idea to eat it with ramen. Oh, let me slide my assistant one. It's a little cold on the inside. It said to let it sit in the bag for a minute, but I look-key couldn't wait. So it's a little chilly. Korean tofu and vegetable seaweed rice roll. So here's yours. We have to eat it at the same time still, okay? First bite, let's go. Oh, it kind of has a bitter. Are you getting a bitter aftertaste? You sure? I was getting one really bad. The vegetables texture is not the same though. It tastes good, but the vegetables feel like if vegetables could get stale. They got kind of stale. Because normally when you have kimbap, it's a little fresh. You get a little bit of freshness from the vegetables, but
the bitterness came.
Yeah, it's a little bitter.
I want to buy it again.
Maybe it's just artificial supply and demand because honestly, it's not that great. The only people buying these are people who don't have an H Mart near them because at H Mart, they sell it in the little plastic containers, and that's way better than this for sure. Okay, so we got appearance, texture, flavor. Appearance, it's a little gray, huh? And it does look a little soggy. It doesn't look like super fresh. In the bag, it looks better. So appearance, I'll give that a 7. Texture, I'll give it a 7.5 for texture. It seems a little high, right? But this is a frozen food review. This is not kimbap comparison. This is not kimbap rating. For a frozen food, you don't get like that sponginess and like that bite. For a frozen food, this is good. I'll give flavor a 7. Okay, I have to explain it because the audience might not understand. So look, the flavor is good for the first bite, but it's not like I eat it and I'm like, ooh, I want more. It's like passable. It's just like I eat it and it's like, okay, that was fine. So I'll have my lovely assistant add up the score. Okay, not yet. Can I get a drum roll, please? So the score for the Trader Joe's Kimbap Korean tofu and vegetable rice seaweed rice roll is a 7.16 or a 7.2. Honestly, guys, it's all hype. It's all hype. It's fun. It's like a fun little novelty food item. You don't see it very often, and it's not terrible, but you're better off supporting your local Korean market if you have one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave in the comments down below what you want me to try next. And thanks for watching. Peace. Okay.
Bonus clip, we're gonna have this microwavable tteokbokki we got from Seafood City with the kimbap we just made. So here's what it looks like. It has vermicelli, whatever, noodles with rice cakes. See if it's better.
It might be because it might cut the bitterness. Thoughts?
Still bad.
Okay, say bye.
Manamana. 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 Manamana.